So to get started, first you need to install KredKonnect. So let me tell you first how we are going to install the KredKonnect. So open a new tab and search Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link that you get and hit the search bar and type KredKonnect Shoonya. Click on the first suggestion and you will see KredKonnect Shoonya. Click on it and add to Chrome. So add extensions. Great. As you can see, KredKonnect Shoonya has been added to Chrome. So let's move to TradingView page. Okay. So as you refresh the page, you will see the KredKonnect install already installed. Okay. So first to get started, you should have an account registered with KredKonnect. If you don't have an account, you can just click on this, open an account, and you will be redirected to the KredKonnect homepage. So what you need to do, just register for free. We have a full video on how to register. So if you have not watched that video, you can click on the I button above and can watch that video first. Okay, so let's say that I already have an account. So what I need to do is just to click on login. Now I need to enter my username and password. One thing to note here that you don't need to add your broker details. You need to add the details that you have added during the registration on KredKonnect portal. So what you need to I will just enter my email and password that I use for registration in KredKonnect. So this is my email and this is my password. So after entering my username and password, I'm going to click on login. Okay. As you can see, the login is successful. And as you can see there, the live market data is getting updated. This is the home page of the KredKonnect. So what you're going to see is a PE button and a CE button, put and call buttons, respectively. Okay. And the next is project. This is the main trade page. So there are two buttons, buy and sell, for quickly buy and sell anything. You can search from here, like if I wanted to play buy Adani Power, so I will click search Adani Power and will click on the first options. So there are two options to place a buy order. I can directly press up arrow key on my keyboard or I can press the buy button. So as you can see, as I press the arrow key, I can see that my order is getting placed. So if I wanted to see my order, I can go to the broker page or I can directly see my orders here. So there are no open orders. Next, if I wanted to see is there any open positions. So as you can see, there is an open position for Adani Power, the order we just placed right now. As you can see, the PNL is 0.75. Here, by clicking on the cross button, I can directly square off that position. Okay, let's move to the next thing, that I button. So this I button is used for setting target and stop loss. And the good thing is that you can set trailing target and trailing stop loss. So to set target and stop loss, you just need to click on the I button. Let's suppose that buy price is 593. I would like to place a target for 594. Stop loss, let's say 590. Trail point is, let's say, I wanted to trail my target whenever it goes 1 rupees above the buy price. And trail point SL means I want to trail my stop loss by this point. So let's just say I want to trail my stop loss by 1 point. And whenever you click across, your details will get saved. Make sure that you uh, click this cross, not this one. So I will click on this. And as you can see, my target and stop loss are set. So you can just move to something else. As you can see, my PNL is getting updated. I can see live prices for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's now move to the next thing, that is option chain. So as you can see, I can see the option chain directly here. Along with that, I can see call price, OI change, put price, and OI change for the put. And the great thing is that you can directly place order from here. So let's say I wanted to place an order for 24,500 call. So what I'm going to do is going to click on this and the orders get auto filled. I can click on buy and I can see that my order get rejected. So you'll get order update immediately. For more keyboard shortcuts, you can click on this for up arrow, buy order, sell order, F8 to close all position, Alt 1 or 2 for Nifty call and put, same for Bank Nifty and same for Fin Nifty. So let's see how auto strike works. Let's suppose you want to get an put for Nifty. So let's just click on this and automatically you get an 24,500. So that's how it works. Let's say I want to get buy a call. So I press the number key and it buys a call. So if you don't want to press the B and C button, you can just press Alt 2, 3, 4, 5, respective 1, 2 for Nifty, 2, 3 for Bank Nifty, and 3, 4 for Fin Nifty. That's how it works. Okay, here you can select Nifty 50 option chain, Bank Nifty option chain, and Fin Nifty option chain. Let's go for Fin Nifty option chain. So as you can see there, I got the option chain for the Fin Nifty. And I can change the option chain from here also. Like I go to Nifty, I click on Nifty and I get the Nifty option chain. I click on Bank Nifty and get the Bank Nifty option chain.